Smart plugs are the easiest way to start building a smart home. Just plug them in, connect to Wi-Fi, and control your devices remotely or with your voice. In this list, we've rounded up the best smart plugs to help you automate your home with ease. Number 1. Tigreat 16A Israel Smart Plug. Schedule and timer functions automate appliance usage, optimizing energy efficiency. Works seamlessly with Alexa and Google Assistant for hands-free operation, enhancing convenience. Control devices from anywhere via the app, providing peace of mind and energy savings. Features both Bluetooth and Wi-Fi for a stable and faster connection, reducing disconnection worries. Supports up to 3520W for larger appliances, ensuring compatibility with a wide range of devices. Number 2. Boradapples Matter Smart Plug. Seamlessly integrates with Apple Home, Google Home, and SmartThings for hands-free operation. Automate daily routines with the Smart Plug's timer feature, ensuring devices turn on/off as needed. Manage 4 smart sockets remotely via Wi-Fi/5G/4G/3G networks, regardless of location. Quick installation with a QR code, allowing for quick platform integration without hassle. Constructed with PC flame-retardant material and ABS, ensuring overload protection. Number 3. 20W Fast Charging USB Universal Smart Socket. Supports rapid charging for smartphones, tablets, and other devices via USB-C or USB-A. Includes an integrated cable for hassle-free use. No more searching for cords. Works with most devices and plugs. Ideal for international travelers and public spaces. Protects against overcharging, overheating, and short circuits. Perfect for hotels, homestays, airport lounges, cafes, and home bedside setups. Number 4. BSEED Wall Socket. Make your home smarter and more energy efficient with the BSEED Wi-Fi Wall Socket. Designed to fit the EU standard, 86 by 86 millimeters. This sleek smart socket offers full wireless control and real-time power monitoring through your smartphone. Compatible with Google Assistant, Amazon Alexa, and smart home apps, it lets you remotely control appliances, schedule on/off times, and track energy usage, all from the palm of your hand. Connects easily to your home Wi-Fi. No hub required. Manage devices from anywhere using your phone. Works seamlessly with Google Assistant and Amazon Alexa for hands-free control. Track energy consumption and optimize usage to save on electricity bills. Sleek and modern 86 by 86 millimeters panel fits standard EU wall boxes perfectly. Use Smart Life or Tuya app for scheduling, automation, and remote control. Built with flame-retardant materials and overload protection for enhanced safety. Number 5. Shawader Wi-Fi Tuya Smart Wall Socket. Designed for quick and stable setup, with no hub required for immediate smart functionality. Equipped with dual USB ports for charging smartphones and other USB-powered gadgets. Features a power-saving function to ensure appliances are only on when in use, reducing electricity waste. Seamlessly integrates with Alexa and Google Home for voice-controlled appliance management. Enables remote control of plugged-in devices via the Tuya app, offering convenience and flexibility.